Let's review how to identify an investment opportunity on Yubedo. First, you can move the map to a region of interest or enter an address, and the map will fly to the address. Next, you can set some basic criteria, such as the price or the number of bedrooms. By default, the properties are visualized by how many days they have been on the market. Click on Show Legend to see what each color means. You can also define the property type or status, whether the listing is active or under contract. If you move the map to a new area, click Search here to redo the search. This can seem overwhelming because there are too many properties, and it's difficult to tell which is a good investment option. We can go to Deal Finder and change the visualization to gross yield, cap rate, or cash flow. If we search by cap rate, the colors will now change to help you identify higher cap rate properties, as shown in the color green. You can even set a minimum value for cap rate and filter out anything below your minimum. Let's try searching by cash flow and setting the minimum cash flow we need. This is an incredible feature. It mass analyzes all the properties using the specific strategy you defined under the Assumptions page, and it shows you how much each property can cash flow for you right on the map. How amazing is that? This is a true game changer for buy and hold investors. Another incredible feature is searching by property condition. So if you're looking for turnkey properties, you can filter the map by that. Or you can choose Needs Renovation to find fix and flip opportunities. Here are some examples of distressed properties we were able to identify so quickly. There are other advanced search features like searching by properties that offer seller financing. You can also search by any keyword such as motivated or estate sale. The sky is the limit. Happy investing.